Hello students, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all are fit and fine in home. Okay, so last class we have studied about that common factors and common multiples and prime factorization. So today we will study about highest common factor, lowest common multiples and some examples or some applications about them. Means about HCF and LCM. So let's start. So highest common factor, you are knowing about factor. Okay, so factor is what? Which is completely divisible. Okay, completely divisible, which is completely divisible by a number, or which completely divides a number is called factor of that number. So let's see highest common factor. So last class we have studied about how to find out common factor. Here we will find out highest. Which one is highest among those common factors? So the highest common factor, that is HCF, okay, of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factor. So it is also known as greatest common divisor, that is GCD. So let's take some example. So the HCF of 20, 28, 36 can also be found by prime factorization of the numbers. Like that, here 20 is given, 28 is given and 36. We can find out by prime factorization. Let's find 20. Start from 2, 2 10 ja 20, then 2 5 ja 10. Then it is not divisible. We can write 5 1 ja 5. Next 28, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 2, 14 ja 28. Then 2 7 ja 14. Then 7 1 ja 7. Then 2 8 ja 18 ja 36. 2 into 18 36. Then 2 9 ja 18. 3 3 ja 9. Next 3 1 ja 3. So last we found one. It is neither prime nor composite. Let's write the factors for 20. 2 into 5. Next 2 into 7. We are not writing 1 because anything multiplied by 1 is the same thing. The product will be the same. Next for 36, factorization are 2 into 3 into 3. So the common factors we will see for of the 20, 28 and 36 is what? 2. Okay. Here common factors are what? 2. Okay. So it has come twice. Okay. Twice it is common factor. 2 times look at here. That's why that what you will write? The HCF, highest common factor of 20, 28 and 36 is how much? 2 into 2. It has come twice. If it would have been come thrice, you could have written 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 4. So this is about highest common factor, which you can find by prime factorization. Okay, this is the method, that is prime factorization. You can find out the highest common factor or HCF. Like that you can find anything. You can find the HCF of that HCF of any numbers. Okay, any numbers you can find the HCF. Here another one given, HCF 60 and 72. Let's find out by that same prime factorization. Okay, so what you will write? 60, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0 ja 0. Next 2 into 15, 30. Next 3 5 ja 15. Next 5 1 ja 5. Like 72, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 36. Then 2 18 ja 36. Then 2 9 ja 18. Then 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 1 ja 3. Let's write down 2 into factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, these are the prime factors. Then for 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So look at here. How will you find out? So look at here. So here 3 has come twice, 2 has come twice, and this 2 has also come. Means 2 is common, another 2 is common, then 3 is common in these two factors. So these are the common factors first we have found. So HCF of 60 and 72 is how much? Highest common factor is 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so how much? 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. So 12 is the highest common factor. So here also we have found 2 one time once 2 has come as a common factor, another time 2 has come, that's why for one time this one, for second time this one, for then 3 has come as a common factor. 3 has come one time as a common factor. Here look, another 3 is there, but here another 3 is present. No, so we cannot write 3. If in both, means if it has common in both number, the factors will come, then we can write. Okay, if you are given 3 or 4 numbers also, you can find out like this. Okay, so this is about highest common factor. Next we will move to lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple, we are knowing about how to find out common multiple. So first we will find multiple, then we will see which is common between those numbers. Okay, so the lowest common multiple of 2 or more given numbers is the lowest or the smallest or the least of their common multiples. So let's see LCM of 12 and 18. We can find out by finding multiples, like LCM of 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, like this it will go on. Okay, then multiples of 18 is how much? 18, 36, 54, and it will go on. So it will go on like this. You see that lowest common multiple. Which one is lowest common multiple? 36. Like that we can find out the LCM of 12 and 18 is how much? 36. But not always we can find like this, because if here bigger number is given and one smaller number is given. Okay, if it was given between 3 and 18. So what you have to do? You have to find out that by this method, by finding the multiples. How we can do? You have to find a 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Okay, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. Then okay, like that. And here you have to find 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36, like that. But you have to go to this much long for finding this common multiple. Okay, so the common multiple of 3 and 18 is what? 18. Okay, like that you list lowest common multiple. So it is very tedious process. That's why we are finding another one, that is another process to find the lowest common multiple, that is prime factorization, like we have done in HCF. Okay, so let's see. Another method is find the prime factorization of all given numbers and multiply the all prime factors. Okay, so you have to find out the prime factorization of given numbers, and you have to multiply all prime factors. But in HCF, what we used to do? We have to find out only the common factors. Then we have to multiply it. But here we have to multiply all the prime factors. Okay. So look at here, which have occurred maximum number of times. So LCM of 12 and LCM of 18. How we have found? LCM of 12 is 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. LCM of 18, 2 9 is 18, 2 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So else means factor of 12 is 2 into 3. Okay, then factor of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. So look at here common factors are 2 and 3. So what you will write? LCM of 12 and 18 equal to, first you will write the common factor. You will write common factor one time, like 2 into 3. Then you will write rest of the prime. What are the rest of the prime numbers? That is prime factors 2 and 3. Again you will write 2 into 3. So how much? 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54. So this one is your prime factorization method by which you can find out the LCM, or you can find out by this LCM of 12 and 18. 12 and 18 at a time write, then divide. 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18, then 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, next you do 2 1 ja 2, 3 you cannot multiply, then 2 0 ja 0, means what you got? 3. Then you can do 1, then 3 1 ja 3 0 ja 0, 3 1 ja 3. So what you get? Look at here, LCM of 12 and 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, what you have written here. So in prime factorization method you can find like this, or you can find like this also. So this is about your prime factorization. Look at another example, LCM of 60 and 72. Let's found 2 30, just 2 into 30, then 2 15, 2 into 15, then 3 5 ja 15, then 5 1 ja 5, like this. 2 36, 2 into 36, then 2 18, 2 into 18, then 2 9 ja, then 3 1 ja, sorry 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Right? We'll write down. How we'll write down? That LCM of means factor of 12, factor of 60, sorry 60 equal to how much? 2 into 3 into 5. Factor of 72 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, this much. So find common factor, then this is common factor. So you can write LCM of 60 and 72 equal to 2 into, first write the common factor, 2 into this one 3. These are the common factor, so write one time. Okay, next you will see which rest of the prime factor. Okay, rest of the prime factor of both. So rest is what? 2, 3 and 5. So you can write 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so the factor is what? 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. So how much? It is 360. Okay, but you can, this one is prime factorization method. We can find out like this also. Let's see. All right, 60 72. So first we will divide by prime number 2. 2 30 ja 60, 36, then 2 15 ja 30, then 2 18 ja 36, then 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, then 2 5 you write 2 3 ja 6, then 5 1 ja 5 3, then 3 1, then what you will write? 3 1 ja 3. Where you cannot divide, you will write, where prime factor will come, you will write down that prime factor continuously, because here you have 5 1 ja 5, but here 3 is there, you can write down. Then here 3 1 ja 1 you have written. Here 1 is not neither prime nor composite, that's why we will write down 3 1 ja 3. Look what we have got, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 5 into 3. The same thing we will got. When we will multiply, what we will got? The LCM is, lowest common multiple is 360. So this is about the finding the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, here you are seeing the division method, repeated division method we have done, and prime factorization method. Okay, next here it is given, else find out LCM of 20, 25, 30 by repeated division method. So how I have found previous time that repeated division method, you have to find out that the LCM of these three numbers. Okay, next we will see some applications, some problems regarding SCF and LCM. So look at here, example 1 is given. Example 12. Two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the containers when used an exact number of times. So it is saying find out, we have 850 liter, 680 liter of kerosene oil. Okay, in two tankers. We have to find out maximum capacity of a container. So how, where you will, they will tell that to find out the maximum capacity, what you will find? You will find the SCF. If you would have told that find out the least capacity, then where least is used, you will find out the lowest common multiple. So for maximum, where it is written maximum, greatest, okay, or most, there you do what? SCF. Where they will say about least or minimum, then where there you, what you will find? How will you find? You will use LCM method. So what you will do? Here we will find out the SCF of what? 850 and about SCF of 680. So we will find by prime factorization method the SCF. So let's find out the SCF. So first you find out the common factor of both 850 liter and 680. Okay. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. You will divide. If you are not finding directly, you can divide. Okay, you can divide like 850. I will divide here. If I am not finding this one, I will divide and find the quotient. Like 2 4 ja 8, 5, 2 2 ja 4, 1, then 0, 2 5 ja 10. Like that I can find that quotient and I can write here. For this also you can do on the rough page. So 2 2 ja 4, then 2 1 ja 2, then 2, sorry, not 2. It will divide by 5. It will divide by 5. So 5 8 ja 40, then 5 5 ja 25. Next, like that I am dividing for you here. Look at here, 4 25. I'll divide 5 8 ja 40. Okay, then 25 2 5 5 ja 25. Okay, I got the quotient. So 285 ja 425. Sorry, 5 into 85 equal to 425. Next I'll go 5 17 5 ja 85. Then 17 1 ja 17. I got the what? I got the prime factorization of 850. Next we'll do prime factorization of 680. Let's find out. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 0 ja 0. Next 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, means 2 17 ja 34, 0, 2 0 ja 0. Next 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10. Next 5 17 ja 85. Then 17 1 ja 17. So let's write out the what will write out the prime factors. So prime factorization of 850 equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 17 for 680. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 17. So look at here, the highest common factor. So first you find out common factor 2, then you will find out 5, okay, then find out 17. So common factor is what? 2, 5 and 17. So write down that common highest, I'll write SCF of 850 and 680 equal to how much? 2 into 5 into 17. That is how much? 170. So you'll write the answer that therefore the maximum capacity of the required container is how much? 170. So here maximum capacity given, that's why you have find SCF, highest common factor. Let's see another example. Another example is what? Written example 13. Look at here. In a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Okay, so in morning walk, step off. Step off means they are walking, means they started walking together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter respectively. A step means what? When you are putting legs, when you are walking, then you are putting one step, other step, one by one another step. So by that what you used to do? The distance between two legs. Okay. The distance between two legs is, while walking, is your step. Okay. So everybody has different steps. Okay. If that one is long person, that height is more, then their steps will be more because the distance between their step is more. If a person is short height, then what will happen? The distance will be lesser. Okay. The distance between the step will be lesser. Okay. If a person is walking very fast, okay, if a person is longer, then distance between two legs is more. That's why when they are walking, that's why step measurement will be more. Okay, so this is the step. Step means what? The distance between two legs, or you can say two legs while walking. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାଲୁଛ ସେତେବେଳେ ତମର distance ଯାହା ଦୁଇଟା leg ଭିତରେ ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ତମର step. Okay. The step is they started at the same time. Okay, stay same place, but the steps are different. Like one is 80 centimeter, one is 85 centimeter, one is 90 centimeter. Means this person is taller, this person is a little bit shorter. Okay, tallest and shorter person. So what is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? Okay, that is telling the same distance. How they will complete the same distance in completing the steps, what they will need the minimum distance. Okay, so we have to find the minimum. Minimum where written, what you will do? we will find out LCM, lowest common multiple. So let's find out the LCM. So we'll do by repeated division method. It is easy because these three numbers are given: 80, 85 and 90. So what you will do? You will write 260. Sorry, we can write as 5. 16 5 is 80. Then 17 5 is 85. Then 18 5 is 90. Look at here, 16 and 18 are given. So you can find out 2 8 is 16. We cannot divide 17. Okay, 17 is a prime number and we cannot divide 17. Then 2 9 is 18. Look at here, 2 4 is 8. We cannot divide 17. We cannot divide 9. That's why we will write 9. Next, 2 2 is 4. We cannot divide 17. We cannot divide 9. Then we will go, we can 2 is prime number, 17 is prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. 9 is a composite number. We can divide it by 3. 2 is a prime, 17 is a prime, then 3 3 is a 9. Then 2 1 is a 2, 17, 3. Then 3 17, 3 1 is a 3. Then 17 1, 17 1 is 17, 1. So what we have found? That LCM of 80, 85, 90 equal to how much? 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 17. So how much you got? That is 12,240. Okay. So what I have written, this is not visible. Okay, now it is visible. What I have written, just wait. So what I have written, 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 17. So what you got? 12,240. So this is the LCM. Then you can write, hence the required distance or minimum required distance is the required minimum distance is 12,240. Okay, so this is about example 13. Okay, next example 14 is given. Find the list number while when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. So look at here, find the list number. So here asking list number which when divided by 12, 16 and 24, 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. Okay, so 7, we have to find out the number. So for finding out number, means we have to find the dividend. Okay, for finding the dividend, what we will do? We will multiply with divisor and we will add to remainder so that we can find the dividend. So we have to find the here we are finding the number which is divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. So here list number written means what you will find? We will find the LCM. So let's find out the LCM. Okay, so here write our 12, 16, 24, 36. Okay, let's find. 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 12 ja 24, 2 18 ja 36. Next, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18. Next, 3 1 ja 3, sorry, 2, here we cannot multiply 3, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, then we cannot multiply, divide 9. Okay, we'll write the 9. Then 3 1 ja 3, we cannot divide 2, write the 2 again. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Next, 2, we cannot divide 1. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 1 written, we cannot divide 3, so write the 3. Then 3, we cannot divide 1, write the 1 again repeatedly. Then 3 1 ja 3. Now we got 1 everywhere. So what will write? The LCM equal to, means thus LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So answer is what? 144. So this is what? This is the LCM. Means when we are dividing 144 by this number, what we will get? We will get remainder 0. But we need that number, list number, whose remainder will be 7. Okay, after dividing by 12, 16, 24, 36, we will get 0. Sorry, we will get remainder 7. So by dividing 144 by 12, 16, 24 and 36, we will get 0 remainder. For getting 7 remainder, what we will do? We will add 7 with this number. So what will we get? First we will write 144 is the list number when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 will give remainder how much? 0 in each case. Okay, if you are dividing 144 by 12, how much you got? Remainder 0. We can see 144 by 12. 12 1 ja 12. Okay, 12 2 ja 24. What you are getting? 0 you are getting or not? Next we will see 16. We check one by one. I am checking for your confirmness. Okay, no need to check in when you are doing. You can check when you can check. You can check in the rough work. Okay, next is 16. So 144, 16. Okay, that is how much? 16, 9 ja 144. You got remainder 0. Next you check about 24. 24, 144, 24. (24) 6 ja 144. Okay, then 36. You can write here 144 divided by 36. That is 36 4 ja 144. Okay, like that you can get what you are getting. That 144 is list number when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 will give remainder 0 in such case. So what we need to do? We need that. What we need? We need that remainder 7. That the number, if divide the list number when divided by 12, 16, 24 and say 36 will be remainder in such case. So for remainder, getting that remainder, what we'll do? We'll add this number with 7. So therefore, the required list number equal to 144 plus 7 equal to how much? 151. So now let's check. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's check we are getting 7 remainder or not. Look at here, 151 divided by 12. 12 1 ja 12, 3, 1. Okay, then 12 2 ja 24. What I am getting? 7. Then I will do 151 divided by 16. So 16, 9 ja 144. What I am getting? Remainder 7. Next I will check by 24. 24 divided by 144 divided by 24. 151. So 24 6 ja 144. What I am getting? Remainder 7. Next we will see 151 divided by 36. 36 4 ja 144. What I am getting? 7 minus 4. 1 minus, again I am doing here. How much? 151 divided by 36. 36 4 ja 144. Okay. So 1 minus 4 how much? 7. So in this we have got 7. So here you can confirm that therefore the required list number is 151. Okay. So this is about today's class, and this is about the chapter 3, that is playing with numbers. So here this has been completed. Okay. I hope you have understood. Okay. You will do the exercise. Okay. Thank you.